Our old toaster oven is starting to get a little dirty and wore out, so this is the new one we bought. This is the unboxing and how to use the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster oven. It's a real fine looking machine, stainless steel housing. The difference between this one and the old toaster ovens is this one is a air fryer also. They cost about $240, $250. Maybe you can get one on sale for $200. Number 12 is the baking pan drip tray. This is the baking pan drip tray. If you have a big item, you put it on the bottom. If you have it not so big, you can put it up there. Here we have the air fryer basket. Air fryer basket just fits right in there. Air fryer basket, and then you have this. So you can leave this down here for the drip pan if you're using this one. If you use the basket, then you take this out. Okay, we're going to try it out. We got some special handmade bread from Japan. we're going to make a special lunch that the Japanese ninja eat when they come to America. Okay, so when this is on toast, it'll come on, the light comes on. Toast, you use this one. The light works. Now, if this is on toast, this won't come on. See, there's no light. So to be able to use this side, you have to put it on bake, and then the light comes on. Okay, we're going to toast the bread. So put that on toast. You have the drip pan. So it says there light or medium. We'll put it on medium. Put it on medium. And we got the bread toasting. Actually, when you're toasting, so the bottom part will, you should take this pan out when you're toasting, so the bottom gets toasted. We'll put it on for a little bit longer to toast the bottom. So, looks like it toasted it pretty good. So far, so good. That's perfect. Now we're going to add the secret ingredients, the Japanese ninja. This is brown rice. So you add brown rice to one side. Okay, that's all there is to it. Brown rice to one side and peanut butter to the other. So there you have it, the special Japanese ninja lunch when they come to America.